When forms are revised or removed in our forms library, the older versions may still be available to you if you saved copies in Transaction Desk. Here's how you're going to clear out any outdated forms. First, go to the main menu, then go to Forms, then All CVR MLS Forms. Now, if you're looking at these forms and you see a number over the folder icon, that's how you know that you've made copies of a particular form. If you want to remove any of those copies, click the folder. On the next page, you'll see just how many copies of that form you have. Check off which versions of the form you want to remove. Click the basket icon, then click delete. If the form you've removed has been completely removed from my library, then it'll no longer be available to you. If it's a form that has been revised, then only the revised, most updated version is going to be available to you. If you're ever looking at a form and you're unsure that you're looking at the revised version, just look at the bottom right corner of the form page, and that'll let you know the last revision date for that form. Any questions about our forms revisions will most likely be answered in the CVR MLS compensation toolkit that you can find on your MLS dashboard. For anything that you don't find there, you can submit a question by email to forms@cvrmls.com.